Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve medical malpractice cases with medicalmalpracticelawyers.com detailed guide step by step clearly. Visit medicalmalpracticelawyers.com to explore their resources. Familiarize yourself with the specific types of medical malpractice cases. Understand the common standards of care expected in medical practices. Gather all relevant medical records for your case. Document any communications with healthcare professionals regarding your treatment. Consult with a medical malpractice lawyer to assess the strength of your case. Discuss the details of your incident thoroughly during your consultation. Inquire about the lawyer's experience and track record in similar cases. Ask for a review of the potential costs and timelines involved. Follow your lawyer's guidance on gathering additional evidence if needed. Keep detailed notes of your symptoms, treatments, and recovery progress. Evaluate any medical expert opinions provided to support your case. Prepare for potential negotiations or court proceedings as advised by your lawyer. Stay informed about the legal process and timelines. Maintain open communication with your lawyer throughout your case. Be patient, as medical malpractice cases can take time to resolve. Utilize resources available on medicalmalpracticelawyers.com for ongoing support. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.